Well, let's start with the action on the Wall Street, where the bulls clearly bounced back from yesterday's sell-off and did so in style. The Sensex gaining over 1,500 points today, and the Nifty put on about 300 points thanks to strong global sentiment. All sectoral indices closing in the green, and the Nifty 50 stocks posted gains for the day. Anuj joins us now to wrap up the day's market action. What a bounce back, Anuj, by the bulls.
Stunning day for the market. Nobody could have thought that, we will do this kind of market action today. The SGX Nifty was indicating that we'll have a gap up, but the market opened much better than that and then kept building pace through the day. There was not a single intraday dip today. The Nifty was up over 2.5%. The Bank Nifty was up nearly 3.5%. And most of this was domestic in nature because globally there was no signal of something like this from either the US market futures or the Asian markets. The broader market has been very strong, so the big question is this start of something big? We'll find out. Quickly, let me run through the big gainers. Across the board, there were gainers, but financials stood out, whether it was names like Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, or IndusInd Bank. But the real impetus came from the big ones, SBI, Kotak, the HDFC twins, ICICI Bank, and of course, others as well. On the gaining side, some of the other names which did well, Tech Mahindra, the Tata Group stocks, Tata Motors, Tata Steel, Titan, Maruti did well, Larsen did well, Infosys did well. As I said, today it was, almost like hitting a dart and, throwing a dart and it would hit a winner. The big question is this start of something big? We'll find out.
Anuj, many thanks. And shares of Reliance Industries today also bouncing back in trade a day after the company's annual general meeting. Multiple brokerages from Goldman Sachs, CLSA, Citi, UBS have a buy rating on the stock with the target price ranging from 2,800 rupees to more than 3,200 rupees a share. The street waving a thumbs up to the new investments proposed by Mukesh Ambani at the AGM. And let's now talk about the macros. GDP growth data for the first quarter of this financial year will be out tomorrow. A CNBC TV 18 poll is estimating a growth rate of 15%, and this is because of a low base as growth contracted by 26% in 2020 during the first COVID lockdown. The RBI has predicted a growth rate of over 16% for the first quarter, and our estimate is slightly below that at 15%. So that is going to be the big macro data to watch out for. But here's a